I've always had that snaggle tooth in the front, and so I've pretty much always struggled with a good smile. I never smiled showing my teeth, and I've really been subconscious about it for a long time.
Steve Davis, 2nd Ranger Battalion. Peter, congratulations on your new smile.
Today we're gonna be doing a full frame off restoration, but it's not on a car. It's actually on my buddy Peter's teeth today. So Peter and I are good friends. He and I go shooting together. He's 100% disabled from the Army, and I thought, you know, he's given his life to this country so that we can live an amazing life and flourish with our families and our careers. So this is the least I can do to give back to him for everything that he's done for us. So today we're gonna be fixing up his top teeth so that he can have that smile that he deserves. To start this process off, we began by taking some 3D scans of his existing teeth. We also took an x-ray to make sure all of the bone, gums, and teeth were healthy, which is really important when doing a case like this so that you don't work on anything that may need to be extracted or have a root canal. So after we got our 3D scans, we also took some photographs, and then I'm able to combine all of these into my CAD program to design the smile on his face before we even get to work. The first step in preparing for a case like this, the #1 most important thing is to make sure he's healthy. Now, Peter, you've been coming here for a couple months, years, getting cleanings, yeah. And we've known each other for some time, and he's been putting in a lot of effort at home because you want to wash your house before you paint it. You've been doing a good job of that. So, you know, when I reached out to my followers looking for somebody, he was like, I don't even know why he didn't even come to mind. You hit me up, and I was like, this is perfect. So Peter's got a tooth. What'd you call this one right here?
Snaggle tooth.
The snaggle tooth, the one sticking out pretty far. So, you know what, our plan today, knowing that all of his bone is healthy, is that we're going to prepare these 8 teeth across the front for veneers or crowns, and then also remove that snaggle tooth up front so that it gives us room to give him a perfect straight smile. Now, it's not gonna be like movie star, but it's gonna be better than what you have. Yep. All right, so first step, we're gonna get him moved over, get him numbed up, and get to work. After I prepared Peter's teeth for new crowns and took out that snaggle tooth that he's hated for his entire life, this program called ExoCAD allows me to design the teeth on his face and on the preparations we made in order to 3D print him a temporary that he can wear home to allow his gums to heal. I know that looking at an image like this can be alarming because you have to smooth down the teeth to little nubs, but for your own education, this is actually protecting them for the long run. It's giving them this outer full jacket made out of zirconia, which is the same material that fake diamonds are made out of. So although this may be alarming that we have to drill down the tooth, this is going to allow us to reshape them, recolor them, all while still keeping the structural integrity of his original tooth, and even be able to keep feeling sensitivity to cold or hot. So that way if he bites down into like a fork or something really hard, he'll know and he won't damage his new crowns. A question I get asked often is, what are the difference between veneers and crowns? Well, these are crowns that go all the way around the tooth. If we wanted to do a veneer, it would only be drilling down the front side of the tooth. Now, Peter is an excellent candidate for crowns because he's a male and he's most likely going to use and abuse his teeth, versus veneers we tend to reserve for women who, you know, maybe have a softer diet and go a little bit easier on their teeth. Veneers, they're weaker. Crowns, they're stronger. Another analogy for veneers is that it's kind of like replacing the doors on your cabinets, but keeping your cabinets the way they are. Versus like a crown would be painting your entire cabinets, putting new doors, new handles, and everything on. So once I got it designed, I was able to 3D print this in a Sprint Ray Pro S 3D printer. It takes about 30 minutes to do this. Then we have to wash them, polish them, and even paint on some characteristics. And like I say later in the video, these are just his temporary, and he has to wear these for about 8 weeks to allow the area where we took that snaggle tooth out to heal. If we did a bridge right away, he would end up with a big gap between the teeth and his gums where a lot of food would get stuck. This temporary is one piece. His final crowns are all gonna be individual, except for where we take the tooth out. That's gonna be a bridge where it's gonna be 3 teeth hooked together as one piece. For those of you who are curious on what a procedure like this costs, full market value for something like this is $16,498, and then if they pay cash or check, it's discounted to $15,863. I know this is a lot of money, but this is what it costs for somebody who doesn't have dental insurance. All right, guys, I know more than anybody how expensive dentistry can be. From running a practice to payroll to the payments I make on the building, And all I gotta say is it's not cheap. But I'm here to tell you that some of my patients, including myself, are earning money back every single day on essential items like fuel, food, and even some essentials. In fact, some users of Upside are even saving up to $300 per month. And yes, this is real cash back. This isn't a credit, this isn't coupons for some other goods. This is money you can put back into your account after checking the Upside app before making any of these essential purchases. And it works pretty easy. All you have to do is claim the offer that you're interested on the Upside app, play with a credit card as normal, and then follow through the app to earn this money back. Users are earning 3 times more money than other products that are similar to Upside. Over $1 million is being claimed every single week. And it's pretty simple to get involved. All you have to do is download the Upside app, enter Dr. Parker when signing up. After you sign up using my code, you'll be earning an extra 25 cents per gallon when you're filling up with gas. So it's pretty easy, guys. Once you claim the product you'd like, you can either use the selected card that you have linked to the application, or you can even upload a picture of the receipt, which requires Apple Pay for purchases, but this is a great way to put 36% cash back from this pizza back into your pocket. Don't prolong this, make the effort to earn extra dollars per week that you can put back in your pocket. There's a link in the description where you can get signed up or scan this QR code right here.
My name is Peter Marutis. I served in the Army from 2012 to 2016. I was a combat engineer, 12 Bravo. I essentially looked for the mines that the Taliban were burying in the ground. Stationed at Fort Hood, Texas. Did one tour to Afghanistan in 2013. Yeah, I joined the military because I needed a sense of direction. I needed a little bit of discipline, actually a whole lot of it. And I also did want to serve my country at least one tour. I made it a point to at least do one tour. So my time in the military changed me as a person in a lot of ways. In basic training, they started, basic training and AIT it's called, which is like the advanced job training that you're gonna be doing. That was all in one go. So I did my basic training was from May to August. And in that time alone, I had grown tremendously. You can even see it from pictures before and after I joined. My stature improved, my attitude improved, my body improved. Being in the military, I improved a whole lot, just from start to end. Just being able to make decisions better as an adult, I think, are the biggest ways that it helped me out. Where I'm most proud of when I was serving was definitely my trip to Afghanistan, because I was very fortunate in the sense that I deployed with a really, really good group of guys. So as tough as it was out there, it was a lot of fun at the same time. And it was just it was a good time with those guys. My transition into civilian life, I think easier than most people, only because I had done a ton of therapy after getting back from Afghanistan. So I think that the Army helped me in that sense of getting used to civilian life sooner than most of the other people I know. A couple of my other buddies had struggled getting out, but I was lucky enough to be pretty okay after getting out of the military, as far as like being able to find a job and contributing back to society and things like that. So dental issues, I would say, started, well, I mean, I've always had that snaggle tooth in the front, and so I've pretty much always struggled with a good smile. I never smiled showing my teeth before today. I always just smiled with my lips closed because I was too afraid of showing my teeth. So I've pretty much always avoided people or having to smile around a lot of people for that reason. I've really been subconscious about it for a long time. I was honestly praying that Parker would choose me to help me out, because I know that there's a lot of people who are deserving of Parker's help. So I was just happy that when he chose me, I was ecstatic. I honestly couldn't say anything other than thank you to him, and I felt bad that I didn't know how to return a favor like this to Dr. Parker. But I truly am super thankful that he has allowed me, even anybody in the veteran community, he's helped us all immensely, so I have nothing but gratitude and respect for him for that. I am looking forward to showing my wife my new smile. Because even though I've been subconscious of my smile my whole life, she has loved it. So I'm like really looking forward to showing her the smile when it's done. And also with the rest of my family too, because we've called it the snaggletooth my whole life. So like, you know, now that we got getting rid of it, it'll be pretty exciting to tell my family too. What will it change for the future? Well, for one, I'm gonna start smiling in all of my photos. And I think just having the confidence to go out and do things and talk to people and not have to worry about your smile like turning people away and all of that will be a huge boon to the confidence, everyday confidence.
All right, you ready to see him?
Yep.
There you go, hold on your left hand.
Oh my God. Wow. I can't stop looking at my smile.
Isn't that freaking cool, dude?
Oh my God, that is amazing. Holy cow, I can't stop smiling.
That's awesome, brother.
Thank you so much,
Heck
man.
yeah, dude.
Seriously, I don't know how to thank you for this, man, really.
Me neither. Everything you've done. So, guys, if you want to learn more about a procedure like this, today we put Peter in temporaries. He's going to wear them for a couple weeks since we had to take out that one, what tooth?
Snaggletooth.
Snaggletooth. And so he's going to come back in about 2 months and we're going to get him in some final crowns that are all individual except for that bridge right there. But, you know, I think the temps look pretty good.
I think they look perfect.
If we do the finals like that, I think you're in a lot better spot than where you started,
Definitely,
right?
yo.
All right, dude. Well, let's get some pictures, get you home.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, brother.
Peter, CW3 Brendan Powers, retired, U.S. Army. Congratulations on your new smile.
Steve Davis, 2nd Ranger Battalion. Peter, congratulations on your new smile.
Peter, Gunner Sergeant Jacqueline Potter, United States Marine Corps, retired. Congratulations on your new smile. Semper Fi.
Hey Peter, congratulations on your new smile. Sergeant Scangarello, USMC.
If I could tell other veterans about this procedure, my advice to them would be to just do it. To just go ahead and do it. I mean, look at this smile. I feel a million times better and I haven't even left the office yet. So anybody thinking about getting it done or like holding off on it, especially my veteran friends, just get it done. I promise you'll feel a million times better about it. And that goes for anybody really, not just the veterans, but for anybody involved who wants to get their teeth fixed at a reasonable price and in a quick time, definitely get something like this done. I feel a million times better already. Look at the smile. I can't stop smiling.